जापान का नाम सुनते ही सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन, मारुति कार, सोनी टीवी, वहां का अमेजिंग फूड, जापानीज स्टॉक मार्केट या फिर एनिमे? Hey, this is Sapna and you're watching The Schooling Times. And in today's video, we'll tell you all the reasons why study abroad in Japan is a great idea. तो अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं एंड इंटरनेशनल स्टडीज के ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं तो लेट मी हेल्प यू इन दैट बिकॉज जापान इज अ ग्रेट डेस्टिनेशन फॉर स्टडिंग अब्रॉड फॉर यू. वी ऑल नो एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट कि जापान की टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत एडवांस है एंड वो कल्चरली रिच भी है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द स्टडी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ जापान इज रियली वेरी हाई. एंड एट द सेम टाइम वहाँ की टेक्नोलॉजी गुड्स इंडस्ट्री वर्ल्ड के टॉप मोस्ट रैंकिंग पे आती है. तो इफ यू स्टडी इन जापान यू आर एलिजिबल टू वर्क ऑल अराउंड द ग्लोब. एंड अगर आपको इंडिया में ही रह के जॉब चाहिए तो भी आपके पास इनॉर्मस जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं बिकॉज जापान इज इन्वेस्टिंग बिग टाइम इन इंडिया. द एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन जापान फॉस्टर्स रिसर्च इन एडवांस नॉलेज इन टेक्नोलॉजी. जापानीज इन्वेंशन ऑलमोस्ट हर फील्ड में आपको मिल जाएंगे. इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल, डिजिटल कैमरास, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट. Currently, around 300,000 international students from more than 170 countries are enrolled at higher level institutions in Japan. जापान का क्राइम रेट भी बहुत लो है. अगर यहाँ पे आपका कोई सामान खो भी जाता है तो यू आर मोस्ट लाइकली टू फाइंड इट. यहाँ का कार ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. ऑन टाइम अराइवल, ऑन टाइम डिपार्चर हेल्प यू टू मैनेज योर टाइम. Health insurance system with advanced medical care is very low here. Most of Indian students studying in Japan find very conducive for living and working. Let us check out now top universities and top courses in Japan in terms of ranking. Japan में there are three types of universities: government, private, and public. Top universities of Japan are the University of Tokyo, Kyoto University, Tokyo Institute of Technology, Osaka University, and Tohoku University. Top courses are Energy Science and Engineering, Health Sciences, Computer Science, Mathematical and Computing Science, Innovation Science. You can opt for following programs here: in research, PhD, master's degree programs, graduate degree programs, undergraduate, junior college program, diploma and advanced diploma in technical courses, Japanese language courses at all level. And the best part is, many of the courses are taught in English. So now I'm going to tell you the eligibility for international students to enroll in Japanese higher education course. So Japan में higher education में admission के लिए 12 years का formal education होना compulsory है. Higher education in Japan begins after 6 years of elementary school, 3 years of junior high, and 3 years of higher school. That is 12 years. Student must complete 12 years of formal education first, otherwise student must first complete 1 or 2 years of university preparatory course before entering higher education. In Japanese colleges, the tuition fees varies from government, public, private colleges and universities. Almost 70% of colleges and universities में international students के लिए tuition fee 100% fully funded है. The first academic year school expenses consist of admission fee, tuition fee, facility, equipment usage fee, which is displayed on screen. So fee structure is different for medical, dental, and pharmaceutical schools. When it comes to living costs, जापान में आपकी monthly expenses on average 70,000 rupees होगी. और अगर आप पार्ट टाइम जॉब करते हैं तो आप अपना लिविंग कॉस्ट इजीली अर्न कर सकते हैं. Like Indian rupees के हिसाब से 60,000 to 80,000 you can manage easily to earn using part-time jobs. When it comes to scholarship, Japanese government and private institution partly and fully funded scholarship भी provide करते हैं. As mentioned earlier, government institution cheaper भी हैं और 100% tuition fees भी provide करते हैं. And almost 70% public and private colleges में भी scholarship option है. Japanese government scholarship mixed, which is fully funded tuition fee and living. Monbu Kakusho honors scholarship for privately financed international students, which is partly funded. Student exchange support program scholarship for short-term study in Japan, which is fully funded. So for the second option, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि आप वैसे colleges को shortlist कीजिए जहाँ पे scholarship option है and then वहाँ पे apply करिए. And the third option is, after taking the admission, you can give your financial background status and your entrance exam score to get the scholarship as well. You can also apply for local government or private foundation for a scholarship after taking admission there. Apply for an on-campus scholarship or use a tuition fee exemption reduction system. This is generally given to students who excel the entrance exam or are not able to afford fees due to their financial background. Get all the information regarding the scholarship from Japan Student Services Organization website. Categories of scholarship offered by Japanese government: Japanese Study Scholarship, Research Student Scholarship, Specialized Training College Scholarship, Undergraduate Student Scholarship, and Japanese Language Scholarship. Japan government allows students to work in Japan part-time. In fact, there is an employment office for part-time jobs called Hello Work to help students apply for part-time jobs. उनका एक formal process है that may take time, so I'll make another video for that. The places where you can find part-time jobs are restaurant, hotels, automobile industry, assembly units, and many more. How to hunt the internship in Japan? You can get the internship from professor recommendation, senior and alumni, or from job portals. Companies wanting the best and brightest people regardless of nationality is on rise in Japan, and there is increase in internship offering for international students. Internship gives you a chance to know about the corporate and work culture of Japan. Become the must-have employee and don't leave the opportunity to convert your internship into employment. Your journey from international students to an employee. Education finish होने के बाद you can stay in Japan and search for a job for maximum 360 days with visa status of designated activities. Some of the sector where you can get the employment are translation and interpretation, retail and sales, international business, technological development in data processing, international trade, design, public relation and advertising, education, accounting, and many more. Getting a job in any sector is very, very easy in Japan if you know the language. On-campus interviews also happen. Job fair is organized by various big companies for above option. You may have to appear for a small test which will be in English or Japanese. Thank you so much guys for staying right till the end. If you want any more information, you can check out our website and you can follow us on Instagram as well. If you want to check out our previous video, the link will be in the description below. Till then, stay tuned, study well and stay safe. Bye-bye.